What's up, everybody? Only Maze here. Today I am doing a review of Invictus Victory Elixir. I just got this. I'm so hyped, man. I love the other ones, especially Platinum, but I haven't even smelled this yet. I'm excited for it. So cool box, you know, everything's whatever. It says long lasting, made in France, vegan formula, whatever. Let's take a look at the bottle. Ooh, that's pretty sick looking too. It's got like a cool little shine to it. I think it's hard to see, but it's like a little bit blue. It's like blue to black here. Got a gold thing. This is honestly one of my favorite bottles that has ever been made. Invictus Victory Parfum Intense. So I got a good deal on this too, man. I guess for $106 at Macy's. This thing is incredible. So let's give her a quick, let me see. I gotta find a good open spot here. Ooh. Wow. Nice atomizer. Strong, you know. Immediately, you know, this reminds me of that Minka fruit or whatever the fuck that note is that's in Hugo Boss kind of stuff, and like most of the other stuff in this line. Whatever that note is, immediate at the top. It's like kind of fruity, but sweet, like almost vanilla-y. I'd say this is definitely sweeter. It smells freaking great though, man. Wow. It's definitely a sweeter start to it, top notes. Apparently this stuff's supposed to last really, really long too, which I am super excited for. Because, like, let's be honest, nobody wants a cologne that's gonna be done in, you know, 20 minutes. That's the absolute worst. Very long lasting, vegan formula. I'm really excited about this one, man. Ooh, I know it's like some tonka bean. It's drying down to a more softer kind of vanilla-ish scent right now. Ooh. Let's do it. Let's do the dog test. Bean, come here. Bean. Come here, buddy. You smell? Oh. So if she ever doesn't, like, you know, turn her face immediately, so it's a winner. It's a winner. You like it, baby? You like it? Probably too strong for your nose. Wow, as I'm wafting this around a little bit, the sillage of it is super heavy. Oof. Anyways, I wish I had a list of notes in front of me right now, but this stuff's great, man. All it says on here, you know, it's got coumarin, citronellal, benzyl, benzoate, citral, benzol, cinnamate. So I bet it probably, you know, settles down to a nicer, kind of soft, sweet tonka bean, sort of vanilla-y, sweet woodsy scent at the end, which is, it's I can tell this stuff has staying power because, you know, usually that top note fades super quick. It's still there everywhere, and every time I move my shirt, you can really smell it. So yeah, guys, I love this stuff. I've tried a lot of different colognes in Macy's today, and this is the one I was like, you know what, I'm getting this 100%. Stuff's brand new. You really can't beat it. Price is pretty decent too. 106, 126, something like that. Check it out, Invictus Victory Elixir.